this week's vlog. Apparently I'm not gonna do it by myself. Hey buddy. This one's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna talk a little bit about COVID-19. I wasn't going to, however, it is having an effect on all of us. So yeah, I'm very goal oriented. So for me, riding horses to have an end goal is kind of what motivates me to get up every day and go and ride them. I was gonna be super prepared for when all this was over. Now that it's looking like this might not be over anytime soon. Hey? I'm lucky enough that I get to spend a lot of time with Caden, so not much has changed in that aspect. Caden, sit on your, oh, nice kisses, buddy. On your bum, please. This is what having a toddler is like trying to do anything, by the way. So right now we're really just trying to focus on the positive and hold on to the positive. And the positive is that right now I have a lot of time to spend with the horses, and I mean just give them my quality time. Trying not to get too negative, however, it is a little bit of reality of it right now is that you can't be positive all the time. So we'll just show you a little bit about how the last couple of weeks has been around here and kind of just a little bit of our everyday living. Oh, nice kisses. That's Caden. Okay. Hi. You blow kisses? Mwah. Good job. He was super mad because those were in the way. Hey, you just wanted to sit in there? Okay. Makes sense. It's coming together. We've got our closet, our dog shower, our laundry room, our bathroom, our shower. Then we've got our little hallway. This will get cut out. And then we have our closet. So, whoa. Hey? What's he doing? Whoa. You stay here though. You say, whoa. This is so weird. The kitty? Kitty! Come this way. Nice job. Is he funny? Oh no, what have you done? Come back this way. Brum, brum. You like the puddles? There's a big one. So we may not have the nicest barn in the world, but I am very grateful for it on a day like today because it is raining, and that means that I have a dry place to spend some time with these guys. No. All right, I gathered up some energy and I thought I would just get these guys just out of their pens. You know, they're in smaller pens right now, so it's nice to get them kind of out. But Kaden went for a late nap, which means I got a limited amount of time, so I decided to get 3 of them rode here and try to do it all at once. So Wilson always has to be in front, and Biscuit's keeping a distance, but Badger will always keep them in line, which is nice. So we rearranged everybody's bins. We even brought one out for Mr. Miyagi, who is currently practicing patience right now. So I got sponsored by one of my favorite companies, the air conditioned shirt this year, and I'm a little bit bummed out that there's no jackpots or rodeo, so I'm not able to wear them. But then it gave me an idea. I'm going to put them on for you, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about why I love them so much. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. This was my very first shirt from M Sport 6, or the air conditioned shirt. I have very long arms. The sleeves on these, you guys, are super long and they stay down. They don't ride up when you're riding, so it doesn't matter what you're doing. You've got lots of room for activities. They're also very long, which means when you tuck them in and you're riding and leaning forward, the shirt doesn't pop out. This one is not a rodeo shirt. It's a 3/4 zip, so it is a long sleeve shirt, and I love it. All of these are made from the same material. Don't know if you can see it, but it's very, very lightweight. So in the summer when it's hot, they're very breathable, which is kind of the point. I've left this one untucked just to show you kind of how long they are and also how stretchy. So they stretch, and that's how they stay down. And again, the arms are very long, but they also stay out of your way. Like I said, these shirts are so comfortable to ride in. This one's just a little bit different. This is actually a button-up, and I've left it untucked to kind of show you one of the last features. All of the shirts are vented down the sides, which means when you're competing and it's plus 30, the heat has somewhere to escape. For anybody who has any more questions or you guys would like to buy a shirt, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description of this video so you can go and check them out for yourselves. So you've seen how solid it looks when it's on. I wanted to show you just how breathable these shirts are. You can see right through it. Another one of my favorite features that I forgot to mention is that you don't have to iron them, you guys. You wash them and they come out like this, which is super handy when you're traveling all the time and don't always have time to iron your shirt. The social distancing visits. You say hi. Oh. Hi. Hi.
Days of my life. They sit in cages there. And in 2 days they were out in a big yard hugging on each other. Did I deprive them? Yes.
Good morning. our cats up every night, and on 2 separate occasions, I have asked Kevin for sure if he's put Panda away, and said yes, 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 yes. So tonight, I asked him 3 times and gave him an accurate description of Panda in case he forgot what she looked like. And look who I found sitting on our deck. So obviously Kevin didn't put Panda in the shop. He put these 2 in the shop, didn't put Panda in the shop, and he's now trying to tell me that it's a stray. It's not Panda, because he definitely put Panda in the shop, and he said if I came inside with the cat, it was going to be a stray. So to prove to Kevin that he didn't put Panda away, after swearing up and down that he put Panda away and getting mad about me asking if he put Panda away, I woke his butt up out of bed and gave him another description of what she looks like. There.